Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be checking swirls or imperfections. This is a store-bought LED light, 3 LEDs here and one on the end, versus a Scangrip color match pen. So obviously, before you start working on a car, if you're doing any kind of paint correction, you want to inspect the paint and see the level of defects to find out whether or not you need to go with a heavy compound and a cutting pad, or if it just needs a less abrasive polish and a polishing pad, or even a finishing pad. So what you want to do is inspect the paint. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the lights off and actually show you the difference in lighting between the store-bought LED light and the Scangrip pen. The tip of the pen does adjust from 10 to 70 degrees in terms of the focusing of the light. You have this is what it looks like with just the one LED on the store-bought light. You can see it's not very concentrated except for in the very middle, and it does give you the bluish tint that normal LEDs do. Now we'll click to the 3 LEDs, which is much brighter and casts a very wide range, but not focused in on one particular area. So we'll shut this one off. And now with the Scangrip pen, you can see this is it's supposed to provide you with light that is similar to the sun versus any kind of tinting with the LED. Now if you slide the focus adjustment out, you can see it's a lot more focused on one particular spot. So we'll leave it focused in for our inspections of the car's paint. We do have our daylight halogen bulbs in, and as you can see, the car looks okay. First with the Scangrip light, this would be with the tip. You can see it's kind of casting a little bit of a bluish shadow. And then if we went with the 3 LEDs, you can see some washing marks there, kind of walking with the light. So the car has been parked for about a month now, and it is dusty, so I don't know if that's going to hinder any of our results. You can see a little bit better on the black panel here. So a quick conclusion between the lighting. I'm not sure how well it's coming through on the camera, but the Scangrip light is it's very precise. So the Midwest has been downright frigid lately, with overnight lows in the negative 10s and 20s, negative 30s in the wind chills. Daytime highs in the single digits, close to 0. Tomorrow is going to be like 14 degrees, which is going to be one of the warmer days in the last week. So Detailing videos are few and far between at this point. For more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.